Got some spare time this weekend? Why not build yourself a working rover from plans provided by NASA? The Spacenicks at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory have all the plans, code, and materials for you to pursue and use. Just make sure you've got an extra $2,500 and a bit of engineering know-how. This thing isn't made out of Lincoln Logs. The story is this. After Curiosity landed on Mars, JPL wanted to create something a little smaller and less complex that it could use for educational purposes. So they created Rove-E. That's what they're calling it anyway. It traveled with JPL staff throughout the country and showed off what it was capable of. Unsurprisingly, among the many questions asked was often whether a class group could actually build one of their very own. The answer, unfortunately, was no. Though far less expensive and complex than a real Mars rover, Rove-E was still too expensive and complex to be a class project. So JPL engineers decided to go back to the drawing board and build one that was less expensive. The result is the JPL open source rover, a set of plans that mimic the key components of Curiosity, but are simpler and use off-the-shelf components. There's flexibility built into the plans too, so you can load custom apps, connect payloads and sensors all to the brain, and modify the mechanics however you'd like. It's open source after all, so make it your own. For more information, head on over to opensourcerover.jpl.nasa.gov.